The 4 hours. Hey, it feels great. Yeah, you know it feels good. It feels great. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright. Yeah. It feels great. Feels marvelous. A whole heap of people want a part of it. Trying to tap into it and trying to harness it. We stay funkier than Parliament. And I don't mean the British government. I'm on some other shit, deeper than the Covenant. To grab the CD you need an oven mitt. I club 'em with the 2x4. I'm on some old Jim Duggan shit. We living it and loving it right now. The ones with the glow when the lights out. 4 hours, bitch, great to be back. Got love and we show that all straight to the fans who support us as we travel across borders. It feels great when you recognize what's important. Yeah, my space mission was aborted and came back to life with a bang. Now I'm all in.
I love in life so much I can't contain it. Everywhere around the world the tracks are hitting playlists. Between the states like the state of oscillation. It's great like the smiles upon the faces, embrace it. We're staying cryptic like the Roswell bases. Forever in your memory like long lost faces. Gotta pay some homage to the DJs, rappers, breakers, and mans who bucked acres to see us rock stages. Appreciating life in ways I really can't explain. It's beautiful where I'm seeing things heading as I look to the stars and be asking the heavens questions and getting answers telepathically channeled and through the bars, bruv. Crush hate with the love and jealousy with trust, but you gotta love fate cause you can't change what was. I do this for the people with the real heart for hip-hop. It don't stop.
It's a great day. Normally I sit and hide away. All the hate around lets me know what I need to say. My PC died, I can't make beats and ain't back the shit up for about 8 weeks. Held my fam real close but we rarely ever speak. Talk shit to yes men that ain't ever that deep. Say it's bleak cause dreams really hold prospects. Most opinions are based on material objects. I walk around with a complex, taking life out of context. Don't recall it in like bomb threats. But I'm grown son, each to his own one. The cycle comes back to the start just like a home run. Learn to catch a few darts to try and throw some. There could be a snake in your camp, you might know one. But the hate only breeds it, I'm living life secret. Why they trying to tell me not to speak it?
Find me weeded on the route to scenic, no competing. I just roll with a team that means shit. See scheming from the hazy glares with weekend, but give a fuck, I'm eating crispy duck while my vibe's peaking. The crap means less, see stress like a cloud of cess smoke. You get less jokes with the vexed folk. I haven't got the answers, but I'm thinking let's cope. All I need is bead and beat, some fresh crow, never techno. But big up Piff, that's what's next though, original. I never bite or resurrect flows. I'm where the pen be, the drink don't tempt me. Makes me feel strengthy and act like my beam's over lengthy. Zonal permanent zones, few and far between. Overactive imagination, body half as keen. I work for myself, fuck society, sue me. I'll cheat on life with a pen and half a doobie.